Hello everyone, my name is Bright. Today we will learn what is fiber laser. Fiber laser is an ideal laser that achieves all the requirements of small size, high efficiency, high reliability, high beam quality and high output by amplifying light of a specific wavelength in the fiber. 1. Structure of optical fiber for fiber laser amplification. Fiber laser is a kind of solid-state laser with optical fiber as the amplification medium. The rare earth element Yb, a terbium, is added to the core at the center of the fiber. The central portion has the highest refractive index. Laser light and excitation light at 1.1 micrometers pass through this Yb-doped core. The first coating layer on the outer side passes through and excites light. There is also a second coating on the outside. The coating is double, so it is called double-coated fiber. 2. Beam transmission of double-coated fiber. Construction of double-coated fiber and light intensity distribution for beam delivery. The excited light is totally reflected in the second coating, and transmitted in the Yb-added core and the first coating. The laser is totally reflected in the first coating and passes through the Yb-added fiber core. Stimulate light every time a fiber core is added through Yb. Yb is excited. 3. Basic composition of optical path of high-output fiber laser is the basic composition of optical path of high-output fiber laser. The optical path is mainly divided into 3 parts. 1. Excitation part, 2. Resonator part, 3. Beam transmission part. 1. The excitation part uses optical fiber to transmit the laser light emitted by the semiconductor laser, LD, for excitation to the excitation beam combiner. The excitation beam combiner combines the excitation light from multiple LDs into one optical fiber. 2. The resonator section transmits the excitation light from the excitation light combiner to the double-coated optical fiber for reinforcement, explained in Fig. 2. Energize the light and activate Yb, and use FBG fiber Bragg grating to increase it. FBG has high reflectivity mirrors and low reflectivity mirrors, and the laser oscillates from the low reflectance mirrors. 3. The 3 parts of the beam transmission part are optical fibers that connect the laser beam emitted by the 2 resonator part to the processing head or optical coupler. 4. High output of fiber laser. The transmission fiber is used as an output light combiner at the output light combining part, and multiple fibers are combined to achieve high output. For example, 4 1 kilowatt wires are combined to become 4 kilowatts, and 6 1 kilowatt wires are combined to become 6 kilowatts. 5. Advantages of fiber laser compared with previous solid-state lasers. Fiber laser has many advantages. Because it is output from an optical fiber, the quality of the beam is high, excellent light collection, and it can be amplified with high efficiency in the optical fiber. Therefore, the fiber laser is not only small and light, but also has a high electro-optical conversion efficiency, easy to set up, low power consumption, using high output and high reliability semiconductor lasers as the excitation light source, and at the same time achieving high output and high reliability, long life, of fiber lasers. Requires frequent maintenance, high maintenance. Due to the above advantages, fiber laser is rapidly popularized in various industries such as marking, fine processing, welding, cutting, and measurement. If you have any questions about the lasers, feel free to contact me. Like and save for later viewing. Thank you.